With a linear extension of 53 meters and freely positioned on a plot in the Serra da Mantiqueira, Mantiqueira House stands out as a horizontal element in the landscape that spans the states of São Paulo, Minas Gerais, and Rio de Janeiro. Situated on steep terrain, this house, nestled into the landscape with minimal earth movement, is surrounded by lush native vegetation. Its design was conceived on 2 floors and with the premise of establishing a symbiotic relationship between the land, the house, and the residents. This configuration enhances interactions and provides breathtaking views in an environment where nature is the protagonist. The access floor from the street contains the social living spaces, such as the living room, kitchen, and dining room. In this area, all spaces are integrated, reinforcing interactions and promoting the constant appreciation of the mountain landscape. The location at the top of a hill in a region with difficult access, combined with the need for agility in the construction process, led the architects to rule out traditional masonry. Seeking alternatives, the parametric construction system from sysHaus was adopted. The private areas located at the ends feature private terraces that also offer panoramic views of the surroundings. A sysHaus is composed of a set of parts like a large Lego, produced in a controlled factory environment, transported and assembled directly on the construction site. This ensures precision and agility in the construction process, eliminating debris and minimizing waste. Thanks to this system, the 607 square meters house was completed in just 270 days. On the lower floor holds the service and support areas, along with a generous deck, ideal for moments of relaxation and leisure.